Hi guys and welcome back, and today we will be talking about how you can build a affiliate website. Example, Amazon. The principles of creating a successful blog can be used to build a profitable affiliate website. This includes creating engaging content, marketing your website, and adhering to search engine ranking guidelines. In contrast to blog with a affiliate website, you are gearing everything towards specific products. This is why most affiliate websites contain reviews. People who are searching for a review of a particular product are more likely to purchase it after reading an informative review. Therefore, the odds of making a referral commission are greatly increased. While it does help you know how a product further firsthand, you can write good product reviews by either hiring others to write for you or summarizing what others have wrote. There are millions of products being sold online. The opportunities to make money from an affiliate website are limitless. Companies list partnership opportunities for their products on affiliate networks or through their own in-house affiliate program. Hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs are available online, but a good starting point is the Amazon Associates program. While Amazon's commission rate is low compared to other affiliate programs, their tends to convert better due to brand loyalty. Without doubt, affiliate websites are one of the most effective ways to make money online. And we also have another subject today: how you can launch an online shop. According to the Digital Commerce 360, e-commerce spending was around about 3.5 trillion in 2019 and is expected to grow further in the next few years. It is a massive market and one which you should consider tapping into, as you would expect. Building a successful online shop requires a lot of hard work. Therefore, it may be several months before you start making a healthy monthly profit. Prepare yourself by looking at how others have built successful shops and research what products to sell, who your competitors are, and who your target audience is. There are many great e-commerce shopping platforms available, but two I recommend looking further into are Shopify and WooCommerce. Shopify is a hosted online shopping solution that retails from $29 per month. The service handles everything for shop owners and has a great selection of themes for online stores. WooCommerce is a WordPress plugin that has grown to become the most popular e-commerce solution online. The plugin is free to download. However, you will have to host your online store and possibly purchase additional plugins to extend functionality. Like Shopify, there are a huge variety of WooCommerce themes on the market to help you market your product effectively. Check out our Shopify versus WordPress article to see which platform is right for you. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.